Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with my beautiful outgoing Happy Meal swap. I joined October Avenue Crafts, Larissa's group swap, the Maggie Holmes swap for 2025, and I was really inspired to create for this one. So I have three beautiful outgoing boxes. The one with the L is for Larissa, and I'll show you what each person is going to get. And I really love how everything came out. It's kind of like a pastel goodness. And don't mind if you hear a saxophone in the back. My son decided to play his instrument now of all times, but I created this phone dangle. I have one on my phone as well, but I wanted to create one that's kind of like, this is a desktop caddy, and I thought it was really perfect to kind of just do all of my goodies in here, although I do have to send my embellishment boxes separately. So I just love how this kind of like looks on the side. And then I did some simple decoration. I have this little beautiful, sorry for the sunlight as well. I did little rosettes. I did some cheesecloth because I'm all about the texture, some vellum. I think that's like my love language, vellum, potentially cheesecloth, or kind of like a mesh trim. Yeah, and rosettes and like banners. So I love how this came out. And then I'm just gonna take everything out so I can show you what the box looks like. Okay. So here's the box. I just did a simple little banner decoration. It says love. And I did stitch each layer. Oh, I didn't stitch the panels. Just the front where it really counts the most. And these are some like Daiso little poofs that I had in my stash I've been dying to use. So this is the box, decorated as is. And here are the goodies. So this is my memory decks card. And I think you might have seen my video. I'm just gonna raise this desk up a little. My video showing all of my memory decks cards. So I'm just gonna put that here. Here is my little swap tag. I created this on my Cricut, and then I just used some really pretty deco paper. This kind of a little bonus gift. I love adding these onto my purses. Little bag charm. I love it. It's pearl, it's pretty, it's cute, and just thought it was perfect for this. Okay. Here are my bows, and I show you, they're so cute. They are so cute. So, it's wiggling over here. So they are little vinyl bows, and I think they're called bride's bows. And I love the, what do you call that? The lacy, the laciness of the bow here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Sorry for the glare, guys. Zoom in a little bit. Here we go. So you can kind of see that, and I added a little charm on the bottom, and it just wrote a little thing says bows. I just took a basic tag, and then I just stitch acetate on top. And then I love this little, I don't know what this is, furry trim that I got from Temu. I just added it to everything. I just love it. It's pastel, it has gold in it, and I thought it was like the perfect little addition. Let's see, slip that back in. I forgot how I put everything in. It was a perfect science. I'll have to figure that out. I also included this little ribbon sample because I've been loving these ribbons. And then I just kind of pinned a little butterfly pin on the back, added an applique. So cute, got a little velvet number, a little colorful trim. Oopsie. It's all the pastel goodness. So I love how that came out. Let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, these are my embellishments. I showed a video on my bellies I kind of used some clear stickers. I did the same thing. I took basic cardstock and then just did a little leafy stitch on the side. And then I included my telephone and belly and the strip, the ticket strip. So I love how that came out. This is, oh my goodie. I just gave everyone a cutting die. Really cute cutting die. And then here is my die cut pack. I really included what I thought was Maggie Holmes. And now I kind of regret not doing what everyone else is doing. They're making it look like an actual Maggie Holmes die cut pack. I included this banner, this ballerina embellishment, this layered butterfly, so pretty, 2 Maggie Holmes flowers because it's a Maggie Holmes swap, this beautiful frame. I'm loving this frame so much, and like this, what do you call it, scrapbook.com paper. I gave everyone 2 little ruffles, a big one and a small one. This beautiful word that says friend, a heart, another little frame, and this one has flowers, so it pops up and you can add little gemmies in the middle. And I included a little birdie patch for everyone. So it's like a perfect little dream Maggie Holmes die cut pack. I thought it was perfect. And then on top, I just wanted to show you, I'll just place this back in. I'm really making a point this year to use the beautiful embellishments that people make me. I believe this was made by Janae. And I was like, I need to use this because I can't be a hoarder. I can't be a hoarder of everything. So all I did was slip this on top and then added a paper clip so my recipient can reuse this bag topper, right? Nice and easy. It's not really the sturdiest, but does the job. And that's it, you guys. That is it for my group of swap. Oh, I did include 3 little embellishment boxes that I did decorate. You can see that here. And I have my 3rd one here. I did like a Willow Lane one. Again, using some of the embellishments I got from my many swaps that I've received in the past. So this is like one of those little Daiso boxes, and then I included these 4 different colors of these pastel little bows. This is like the box of charms. I went through my whole stash and went to town. Anything related to Maggie Holmes, inserted. And in here, I included some fun little cabochons, some beads. And yeah, I hope really whoever gets my swap feels like they were spoiled or they really enjoy my creations as I enjoyed creating for them. And that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.